What's up? It's Kavine and Courtney here, and together we are Majestic Love. So guys, we just came back from Courtney's brother wedding, and
best man on the flick.
He was the best man. It got me thinking about our wedding. But guys,
she went crazy. But I took best explanation, she went crazy.
I feel like he was doing the most, and so because he wanted me to
family pick, she kept saying she ain't part of the family, so I got mad.
And I got mad that he created this scene and made it seem like we were quarreling in front of people. I hated that. I didn't like that, babe.
Babe, you're part of the family.
I know, but I felt like it was a moment.
If anybody in our family that thinks we ain't a part of the family, they gonna bone to pick with me.
Look on the camera.
You may look on that. If anybody in our family, well, me just exit the family then. If they not accept it.
Yeah, but we had that moment and I took off my engagement ring.
She went crazy.
Because I just felt like he was doing the most. And one of the things I hate most is displaying any form of
I was just asking you why you weren't there for any of the family.
But long story short, we kind of took it overboard, and so
nah, you did.
You did, babe. You did too.
Because I'm asking you about it. Really?
We both like kind of took it overboard, and the problem with being in a babe, stop no. The problem with being in a relationship is the problem with being in a relationship, guys, and having people see your problems is that basically now everybody have something to say about your relationship. So we enjoyed his brother's wedding. He was the best man, and looking at him, he was a nice little groomsman. Let me think about our wedding. How cute and handsome you look. That had me thinking. But tell them more. But what did I think about me? Did you enjoy my?
Yeah.
Did you thought I looked sexy, like I could be your wife? But anyway, he had us. We enjoyed the wedding. He was the best man. It was his first experience being a best man.
Second.
Who were you best man to before?
My uncle.
Yeah. So.
Second one in a row. I'm the best man in the family.
Yeah. So we did enjoy the wedding, guys. As far as our wedding, babe, I don't know. What you have to say about our wedding? After experiencing this wedding. Are we
engaged?
Are we engaged? Good question. I'm not gonna wear my ring again until he proves me.
You know, tomorrow 1 year. 8.
1 year since we've been engaged. Yeah. But you know what? I don't believe in rushing. I believe in taking your time and doing it right. And you know, as much as we cuss and fight and quarrel right now,
I'd rather no one else.
But yeah, guys, we enjoy each other at the wedding, and you know, we cuss and we fight sometimes, but to our mother, like,
tell me about it.
No matter how much we cuss, we fight, we are go alright.
You are going peace.
No, peace, not
we are going to make up.
No, we're not.
We're going to make up. Bye.
No, we're not going to make up, baby.
Babe.
But yeah.
Trust me.
Say some final little words to them.
Peace. We are out.
Why the camera look so white? But yeah, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and share and all these things. It's at 5 minutes now. Stop doing that.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from. I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from. I didn't